Follow these steps to create a new brand in Booleanmaths. Visit the Booleanmaths dashboard. Click on Add Brand. Fill in the required brand information. Add a brand logo for easy identification. Click on Finish and Close. Your brand is now created and ready to be used. Next, let's see how to share a brand with your team members. Visit the Booleanmaths dashboard with your admin account. Click on Manage Your Brands to open the agency view. Click on the Share icon. Enter your team member's email ID to invite them to access the brand. If they do not have a Booleanmaths account, they will need to create one to accept the invite. The default access granted is read-only. You can change this to edit. The admin can also remove access for members. Admins can also delete the brand from this panel. Click on the Delete icon. A pop-up will appear asking to type Delete in the text field. This is a precaution to prevent accidental deletes. Type Delete, and then click on Delete. Your brand has now been deleted.